It is a pantheon of concrete and iron, diligence and vigor, a symphony of roaring inlets and exhausts. It is the past, the present, and the future. Our national defense, relying on your expertise, determination, and resolve. Making you think you did enough. Leading you to believe the job is done. But you know better than that.
Who are we? What do we stand for? Why is our global reach second to none? How do we answer these questions? How do we make the impossible possible? It is because of you. It is because of you that we continue to lift the stars. It is because of you that we master the globe. It is because of you that we soar above the rest.
Because here in this land, we unleash the energy and individual genius of man to a greater extent than has ever been done before.
You are the advantage that our adversaries do not have. You are the weapon that our enemies fear. Challenge us, you will understand. Any threat that knocks on our door, we will answer. So get out there, do your fucking jobs.